Welcome back. This is Faisal from Tech4Blog. In this video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp on PC or laptop. You can use WhatsApp on PC or laptop by three different OS. One, web-based application. Two, by a software. Three, by using emulators. Step by step, I will cover all OS. Just stay tuned with me. Using WhatsApp by first OS, you have to log in. WhatsApp on your phone is required. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. First of all, you need to open a browser and search for WhatsApp web. Go to web.whatsapp.com. Now open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to menu or settings. Click linked device. Point your phone to the screen to capture the code. Boom! Now you can send message on WhatsApp. Hope you think I don't like web-based applications. Then how can I use WhatsApp as a software? Well, don't worry, WhatsApp is also available as a software. Search for WhatsApp in Google. Go to whatsapp.com. Click download button. Here are different versions for different operating systems. You can download the version according to the operating system you use. I am using Windows, so then simply download WhatsApp by click on download button. After complete downloading, just click to it or open it. Then wait few seconds until installing process is complete. After complete installing process, open WhatsApp on PC. You will see a QR code. Now open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to menu or settings. Click linked device. Point your phone to the screen to capture the code. Boom! Now you can send message on WhatsApp. There is another way to use WhatsApp, but it is not recommended, and this way you need to install an extra Android Emulator software for use WhatsApp. Basically, Android Emulator helps in creating an Android virtual device or ADV on your PC. It can be used for running apps from Google Play Store on Windows or MacOS. There are many kinds of Android emulator exist like BlueStacks, NoxPlayer, LDPlayer, MeMU, etc. In my case, I am using BlueStacks 5. So open your emulator. I am opening my BlueStacks. Then open Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Click the install button and wait few seconds or minutes until downloading and installing process is complete. After complete installing, just open it and log in your WhatsApp account or create a new one. That's it. If you like this video, hit the like and share button, or if you have any query, please put a comment. Thank you.